Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. We are working on the RV today. Hey, we got a thing here. We got a piece of trim that's loose. We'll show you how we're going to fix that. We're just going to put a little epoxy on it. So let me show you the easy way. Let's look at the tools we've got to use and let's get on it. Alright. So today we've got some paper towel. We've got some blue tape. We've got a piece of tin foil. We're going to mix our JB Weld for plastic on. We've got a stir stick and some toothpicks. Here's what we have. We've got this a little loose right here. As you can see, that's loose there. We're going to mix up some epoxy and get it in there. So we always use tin foil. Easy to throw away. Yes, we've used this before, so we're not going to show you the whole opening of it. Woo! Shoot. Way more than what we wanted, but that's how it goes sometimes when it's a used tube. Closed it back up. Always pull back on the handle a little bit so you don't have pressure. Here we go. Let's mix this up. If you find your stir stick isn't good enough, then you have to fold it again. Alright, so there's our mixed up epoxy. So what we're going to do is we're going to go right up here. So we'll see if we can get you set up to see that. What we're going to do is we've got our epoxy good and mixed. Get some on here, pull this away. They let that drip on the outside there. Just going to kind of put some in there. Put some more. Don't worry if you spill a little on the outside here, because it's not really going to matter. We'll show you what we're going to do. The neater you can be, the better. But all right, so we got some epoxy in there. It's slowly moving down. So now we're going to wipe it. Now you just leave it like this, it'll dry, but it's good and hard. So we're going to do this. Try to put a piece of tape on here to here. Try to hold this in some. Come in and wipe this again, because we see a little bit squirted up. And we're going to put a piece of tape this way, hold this in, put the tape this way, right into the groove and right up the RV. It's still, you see how it still moves away a little. So we're going to wedge a piece of wood against it to the ground. We taped it, it's close. So in our case, we're going to see what we've got where we can wedge a piece of wood against it. That's pretty good. And it looks like it still moves away a little. Duct tape might have been better suited. We want to push on here a little bit. Look, we can push here. I think we're going to move our garbage can close to it, put another board in there. Need to push in on it a little. There we go, it's pushed in. So now we're pushed in. What we'll do is we'll leave this epoxy here, so we'll know when it gets hard. We'll throw out our paper towel. Bring you back when it's done, about 15 minutes. So we're back out at the motorhome, and we have let this thing sit for like 3 hours because we went to the sandwich fair. Don't miss the sandwich fair, always a good time. But so we're back from that, and we're going to take this thing off. We're just going to take our wood off. Take our tape. You can see that's very stuck on there now. Take the tape off. And now you can see it's not loose anymore. Looks clean. If you got a little glue somewhere, my surface was waxed. I could peel it if I have to. It looks pretty nice. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. There you go. Fixed it with a little JB Weld. This is no longer loose. We won't lose it on the road. Don't forget to like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. We'll catch you in the next easy video. We've got some drain lines for overflows for tanks that have big openings to let mice and bugs go up. We'll show you our fix on that next. Stay tuned, like and subscribe, post notifications on. Don't miss them.